Deep vein thrombosis. Deep vein thrombosis is a serious condition that occurs when a blood clot forms in a vein located deep inside your body. Deep vein blood clots typically form in your thigh or lower leg, but they can also develop in other areas of the body. Other names associated with this condition may include thromboembolism, post-thrombotic syndrome, post-phlebitic syndrome. The name you can trust for your specialized medical treatment needs in India: CMCS Health. You can send your queries to us on our WhatsApp, IMO, Viber or Telegram number, that is +91 9971 986258. DVT symptoms are observed only in half of the patients. If the deep vein thrombosis has taken place in the veins of legs, the symptoms could be swelling in your foot, ankle or leg, usually on one side, cramping pain in your affected leg that usually begins in your calf, skin over the affected area turning pale or reddish or bluish in color, an area of skin that feels warmer than skin on the surrounding areas. If DVT has taken place in upper extremity, symptoms could be like neck or shoulder pain, swelling in the arm or on hand, pain that radiates from arm to the forearm, weakness in hand. A pulmonary embolism can happen when a DVT clot has moved from the arm or leg into the lung. It could be life-threatening. Pulmonary embolism, a life-threatening complication of deep vein thrombosis. Pulmonary embolism is a blockage in one of the pulmonary arteries in your lungs. It can cause permanent damage to lung and is life-threatening if not treated in time. Most times, a pulmonary embolism is caused by the blood clots that travel from the leg or rarely from other parts of the body. The symptoms of pulmonary embolism are as chest pain, a sharp stabbing pain that might become worse when breathing in, increased or irregular heartbeats, dizziness, difficulty catching breath which may develop either suddenly or over time, rapid breathing, a cough normally dry but possibly with blood or blood and mucus. Who are at risk of DVT? Deep vein thrombosis usually occur in people who are above the age of 50 years, but certain factors can make it happen even in younger people. An injury to veins like in a bone fracture, obesity and sedentary lifestyles, a recent surgery, especially the knee or hip joint replacement surgery, heavy smokers, women on hormone replacement therapy or birth control pills, a family history of DVT, having a catheter placed in a vein, cancer patients and inflammatory bowel disease patients. Heart conditions are like a recent heart attack, staying seated for a long time while you are in a car or on a plane, especially if you already have at least one other risk factor. How can one prevent DVT? Certain lifestyle changes like regular physical exercises, losing weight if you are obese, quit smoking, lowering your blood pressure can help you in preventing risk of deep vein thrombosis. If you are bedridden for a long time, sitting in the same posture for a while, walking around can help in preventing DVT. Using of blood thinners under the supervision of your doctor if you are going for a surgery will reduce the risk of blood clots later. For long distance travel, lower your risk by moving around so often. Get out of your car and stretch at intervals during the long drives. Walk in the airspace if you are flying, taking a train or riding a bus. Don't wear tight clothes that can restrict blood flow. How DVT is diagnosed? Once you show symptoms of developing deep vein thrombosis or your doctor suspects that you are at a risk of developing DVT, he may take a complete family history, do a physical examination, and may recommend the following diagnostic tests to confirm the diagnosis. Ultrasound, venogram, or D-dimer test. Treatments of deep vein thrombosis. DVT treatments focus on keeping the clot from growing. In addition, treatment is directed towards preventing a pulmonary embolism and lower your risk of having more clots. The treatment may be medical management, compression stockings, vena cava filters, vascular surgery for removal of the blood clot, and DVT rehab exercises. Deep vein thrombosis could be life-threatening. For queries related to treatment of deep vein thrombosis or DVT, send all the medical report to us. The name you can trust for your specialized medical treatment needs in India: CMCS Health and Medicare Private Limited.